Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s over s. dv that is about the s. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v, and we have the bounds from number 1 to e. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so s divided by s, we have number 1, and now we have the integration from number 1 to e, and we have the s. The integration of the s, we have s, and we put the bounds from number 1 to e. So I will put this one cone here, and we have like this. Fn number 1, you got number 0, and now we have like this. Fn e, we have number 1. So e minus e, they cancel. Negative and negative, we have positive, and we have positive number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.